Recording.
Hey guys, I'm Carl.
And I'm Adrian, and we are Adventures of Carlian. And we are the most biggest,
Biggest.
ice cream
I'm pretty
people. We love ice cream. Our first day of dating, we spent getting ice cream at Buy Right, and then our first official date, like going out on a date, was getting ice cream in the city. And our goal is to try every single Ben & Jerry's flavor, and we've gotten a lot of them, which is an accomplishment and kind of terrifying too. That's an emergency.
That's how passionate we are. The ambulance needs to come and rescue us. Pretty much our ice cream journey has been kind of crazy until this year. Basically, we started making our own ice creams and really researching, learning about how to make good ones, how to make bad ones. Like, we started off with one of those KitchenAid attachments, and we were super stoked when we first got it, but then kind of learned that thing sucks. Like, it sucks. Like, you've got to freeze the freaking bowl for 24 or more hours so it's nice and cold, and like it
takes up space too in your freezer.
We would have to like wake up at super early in the morning just so we can churn ice cream because the house is still cold. Because if you do it any later, it's like the house gets super warm and then the bowl just melts faster. And that bowl is basically like an ice pack, right? So it's like once you take it out, it starts to melt. And we always found it like very hit or miss as far as the quality and the consistency we were getting in our ice creams. Like, we're so excited about our bases because they would taste so good, but then it would never get the right consistency because that attachment sucks. Like, it sucks.
It's like, no offense, but it's just not for the serious ice cream mature.
Yeah. Seriously. Enter this Whynter Ice Cream Maker. It's like the most legit stainless steel upright, so it doesn't take a lot of space, and it has a compressor, so there's no more freezing a damn bowl for like days.
Planning ahead for your ice cream, setting an alarm for your ice cream.
Yeah. And I know it might be a little bit of like an investment for most people that, like, you know, it's just kind of a once off kind of thing, making your own ice cream. And if you have kids, maybe doing the more physically engaging activities of making ice cream much funner with like an ice pack, and you just like doing this stuff with your whatever. if that's your thing, cool, but not us. Like, we got it to like, we're churning out at least 3 or 4 different flavors of ice cream like in one day. If
not for ourselves. If you're using the KitchenAid, it's like you have one shot and that's it, because then you gotta freeze the bowl again and wait a whole nother day to like churn a second batch, or even the second half of your first batch, or whatever it is.
So let's talk about this Whynter ice cream machine. Whynter ice. Someone let me know how to say this.
I think it's winter. It just sparkles like winter
that makes
and snow
sense.
and
Winter
ice.
sparkles. Let's get into this. The Whynter Ice Cream Maker is a legit stainless steel ice cream maker with a compressor that will keep the churn super cold to the end, and the best part, you don't need to pre-freeze a bowl. This powerful little sucker has all the bells and whistles, like a nice LCD screen with an audible timer to let you know when your churn is finished. It has 3 modes: ice cream, cooling, and mixing only modes. We purchased the upright version, and it only takes up a small space in our kitchen counter. Its temperature ranges from minus 0.4 Fahrenheit to minus 31 Fahrenheit and has a capacity of 2.1 quarts. But be aware to not fill the whole bowl up with your base, because ice cream will double or even triple in size depending on your base. For other technical specs, check out their website. Those links are down below.
So the things we love about it are the small footprint. Again, it's not very big, and it fits in the same space that you might put your KitchenAid mixer. We no longer have to pre-freeze the bowl, which is a huge save, and we're no longer constrained by the temperature of the environment, our kitchen, the room, the house, because of its compressor. It's easy to clean, and even though it's small, we can churn multiple batches and different flavors all in the same day, and it's simple enough to do.
So these are the things that we think could be improved. It does have a bit of weight to it. The machine's about 25 pounds, but it's not inconvenient to move around if needed. If you're making a big batch of ice cream, the 2-quart capacity is a bit of a pain to deal with. Even though this is the usual size of like high-end home ice cream makers, if you're making even a bigger batch than this, you're kind of looking into commercial machines here. So our final thoughts on the Whynter Ice Cream Maker, basically our experiences with it is beyond 5 stars. Like all the things that we think could be improved are things that we're really nitpicking at.
Yeah, and they're definitely not deal breakers. They're not cons in any way. It's just a matter of, if you're serious about making your ice cream, and that's not to call anyone out. It just made such a huge difference for us. And whether you're just making it for yourself or you're a small batch, selling, trying
a little side hustle during these times.
Trying to make up for the ice cream machine,
Yeah, trying to get your money back from this ice cream machine.
Yeah, we definitely recommend it, and I think it just comes down to whether you're someone who's going to make ice cream regularly, whether the texture matters to you, and also where you live, like what kind of environment, if the environment is going to be a factor into you.
Like if we were in Bali, there's no way we would just throw that KitchenAid attachment,
away.
Yeah.
Which we did anyway.
Yeah, it's long gone.
That's really it. Only good things to say about this machine, and if you're ready to start your own ice cream adventure.
Whynter Ice Cream Maker. All the links are down below. Thank you for watching this product review of the Whynter Ice Cream Maker. We really hope you guys can share your ice cream adventures with us in the comments, and all the links are there. All our places you can follow us are there, and
tag us on anything you guys make ice cream related. We'd love to see.
And don't forget to check out our ice cream series on our YouTube channel, which you're on. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.
Bye.